Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: your account number, branch code, and the exact bank name. Once done, log into online banking or locate a recent statement because SWIFT, also called BIC, often appears there. Make sure to pick the quickest contact method: secure in-app message, customer service phone, or an in-person branch visit. Start by checking the app and statement text. If it's missing, prepare to contact the bank directly and request the SWIFT/BIC for international transfers. Once you've checked basic sources, go deeper. Use the bank's official website search for terms like SWIFT or BIC and review international payments pages. If multiple branches exist, use the branch locator to match your account's branch and its BIC. You should also request written confirmation, email, or secure message so you have the exact code and any required intermediary bank details. If the bank uses a central SWIFT for all branches, they'll tell you. If not, insist on the branch-specific code. Finish by confirming the provided SWIFT/BIC and any correspondent bank info with a bank advisor. Read back the code to avoid transcription errors. Then, make a small test transfer or ask the recipient to confirm the incoming payment details, because practical verification catches hidden issues. If something goes wrong, like a mismatched code or hold, escalate immediately to bank support and request trace and correction. One troubleshooting tip: if the bank can't provide
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.